Hello friends, in this video you will see how to access rows using head and tail function, how to iterating pandas data frame. So let's start how to access rows using head function. To view a small sample of a data frame object, you can use the head and tail function. So here is our data frame. Let's see the output of this program. Okay, so there are 4 columns and you can see here are 7 rows at an X position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So when you use DF.head function, it will shows you top 5 rows of data in the data frame. The opposite it data frame, that is tail function, so it will access last 5 rows by default. You can also use or pass some value using head or tail function. For example, if you use 3, so it will print first 3 rows from your data frame, and in the same manner if you use tail, so it will display last 3 rows. Now let's see how to iterate pandas data frame. For accessing and retrieving each record one by one in data frame, we used 2 methods. First is iterrows or iteritems. For example, if you use iterrows function with data frame, it represents data row wise, or you can say record by record, and a data frame will process rows over the keys of the data frame. So for this you can use for loop for keys in data frame, or you can see or print the keys from your data frame. So that are name, address, age or grade. So these are the keys in our data frame. Now let's implement iterrows. Now let's print row and row series. These are 2 variables in DF and use iterrows. So it will represent data row wise. Print row index, that will store in variable row, and print row series. Let's see the output. So you can see here row index, so it will access first row, that is 0, and the row series, that are the values of first row as a complete record. So when we used iterrows, it will display our data frame record by record. So first record, then it will display second, and so on. So row index is 0, so it will display first record here. At row index 1, it will display second record here, and third, fourth, and so on. So you can use iterrows function. You can also access columns, or you can say column series in DF.iteritems. So when you use iteratim, it will displaying column wise data, that is column index in variable col and the column series here. So here is your data frame. The column index is 0, so it will access or display your record column wise. So first column, then second address column, and third column age, like this, then fourth column grade. So using iteritems or iterrows function, you can iterating pandas data frame. Thank you for watching this video.